And turn the microphone on. Okay, I got this elevation here on a job I've been working on. You go to the edit active camera icon. There it is right there, show shadows. Okay, there's the shadows. Not hard to do. That's a vector view camera. And let's change it to a render camera. There we go. And we'll click on, edit active camera, show shadows. Okay, there's the shadows. Not hard to do. Now there's so many settings in Cheap Architect, it's difficult to remember them all, that's for sure. I get that, but let's go over to Edit Default Settings, Camera Tools, Full Camera, Edit, and right there, Show Shadows. You don't even have to do it after the fact. You can have this set by default. Let's go to Perspective Full Overview, Show Shadows. I mean, if you're not getting shadows shown after you've ordered them, there's something wrong with your software driver, or something bad with your video card. Excuse me. Okay, let's look at cross-section elevation. Edit. Ooh, what do you know? Show shadows. You can have them set by default, or you just order them on the fly like I've been displaying here. I'm going to change the camera type, or change this back to turn the shadows off. I commonly don't use them because I like nice clean elevations. Let's go to an overview camera. Chug, chug, chug. Okay. I need a new computer. Okay, well, I think I do anyway. Now let's go over here to the Edit Active Camera, Show Shadows. Voila. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps some of you guys.